Hello folks, welcome to my gardening. It's a short video here, I think. Anyway, here's my wind chime I bought before. Rose. Here's a fake puppy dog here that my sister got when my mother passed away, and then when my sister passed away, nobody else wanted it, so I kept it in the family. Geranium, lemongrass, solar fountain. There ain't no sun right now. Aloe vera in back. These little trees here. Hummingbird feeders over there. And right here. Hostas. Gladiolas over here. I'm having to do something because Barbie's going to tear them out when these from this cable here. It wasn't a good thought on my part. These flowers by the mailbox. I got gladiolas. I got blazing stars. Kind of want to flip flop on me. Let's go back here.
You have entered the monitoring area.
Okay, here's my mosquito plant here. I forgot the name of it. I'll get it sooner or later. Here's some roses here. I bought this rose for Shelly. It makes different color roses, as you can see. There's white one there. There's a pink one there. I need to do something with this though. And here's a pink rose here. Bloom's gone on that one. Bloom's gone on that one. Let's go down here. First we're going to walk over here. And that's my grape, second generation grape tomatoes there. Lettuce didn't do so well. Had them in the studio, they wasn't doing so well. So I brought them back outside. They didn't do so well either. So I got to do it again. Just flood it back there. Flood it really bad. We had 3.6 inches of rain. That comes to be about 9.14 centimeters of rain. Here's my watermelon. There's tomatoes. This hosta here has some kind of fungus. More tomatoes. Here's my yellow jalapenos here. Bell peppers. You can see them. I gotta pull this battery off of this one. This one too. You see more bell peppers there. More tomatoes here. We're on the lower side of the garden here. And this is the small jalapeno plant I bought. I already ate one off of it. It was pretty good. So, got some more jalapenos coming up on there. I gotta straighten that up. Let me tighten this rod down here. Okay, here's some tomatoes here. This is my second generation cherry tomato plant. I gotta find a place to plant them. Maybe I'll plant them down here. This is a small jalapeno plant I bought too at the store, farm store. I already ate one jalapeno off of it. I picked another one today. It has a lot of peppers on it too. This is the same. I bought 4 of them. I think I pulled one out by accident one time. But it's got some jalapeno peppers on it too. This is my mammoth jalapeno plant. First time I grew one of those. See that pepper there? Now let's go up here. This trail cam I got out here to watch over my garden. Shelly bought this owl here. The head only moves if the wind blows it. It has a detector on it to make a noise and try to keep the animals away. This is my 3rd generation beefsteak. 3rd generation. Hopefully I get something off of that. I gotta fix this garden up. Anyway, we got more tomatoes. More tomatoes. One of them, one side, I got two girls, pink girls. I forgot where the other side is. So, anything yellow, I get rid of. That look like it's going to die. Because they're just going to hurt the plant. Disease is spread throughout the plant. And we got more tomatoes here. See, this one here, oh, this one here is a pink girl. So that one's a pink girl. I think the other one is an early girl. Couldn't find any beefsteak, but I still got the one I started from seeds. The Amish way. I really need to do something about this garden. I really do. Okay, this tomato ain't no good. Okay, here's some bell peppers. Here's some more bell peppers. Like I said, there's my yellow jalapeno. That's my pride and joy. I was hoping I can get started again. Here's some more bell peppers. More. Usually I go too fast over the gardens. And here's my other set of tomatoes. I got tags in them somewhere. This one here is early girl. So the first two is a pink girl, the second two early girl. Somebody says my watermelon. It had a lot more flowers on it. Maybe we can start producing. Hope so. Raspberry. I done this video earlier. My camera wasn't even recording, and I was picking some. And anyway, my trail camera caught a deer over here eating the leaves by the fence there. And then I saw him stop over here and start eating off these raspberry bushes, which is fine. And this one here, I don't stick myself. Get raspberry. Shelly, you don't like them. I think they're pretty good. Deers think they're pretty good too. I thought Shelly was picking this when I was walking the puppies. I was going to pick some. Done. Shelly said no, she thought I was. I think it was the deers. There's another one there. Anyway, we had a lot of rain. A lot of water is disappearing now. Earlier, it was so flooded. I'm talking about it was really flooded all along here. Almost like a lake. I was trying to get this video going so I can show you how bad the water was. But it seemed to be draining down. We're getting more rain tonight too, after midnight. I put, before the rain, we had a couple weeks of hot, dry weather. Everything was drying out, so I put some water out for the wildlife. Usually I see possums and raccoons out here drinking from it, and deers, but I've got a troll cam over here, right over there on the fence. I'm not walking over this flooded. Anyway, I caught a bunch of little foxes here, just out here playing, having a fun time. I'll show them here. And this water's still rushing down. There's the milkweeds way over there that grew wild. There's some milkweeds here that I grew from seeds. Oh, I forgot to show you my other milkweeds over here by the peppers. I wonder if I can walk over there without getting soaked. Since I grew the first time on the video, it wasn't recording. Anyway, here's my troll camera. And I got another one over there. The first time I ever grew milkweeds, I learned how to do it. See, these things getting pretty big here. I want to try to draw hummingbirds. See, you can see I got a hummingbird feeder in the back over there that the camera can reach up for. And butterflies and dragonflies. I heard dragonflies like bamboo, so that's why I'm using bamboo stakes. There's a peach tree here, but the peaches are not coming out too well this year for some reason. They're really small. I don't know what to do about that yet. Anybody have an idea can let me know. Take all kinds of comments. This is a donut peach tree. They did have donut-sized peaches on it earlier this year, but they disappeared. I wonder why. Okay, and oh darn, I forgot what kind of tree. This is, oh, this is a pear tree. That's right. This is the pear tree. See the pears? We got one on the ground there. Oh, we got two on the ground here now. Better tell Shelly, she better start picking them. This is an apple tree. It's not doing so well. It does have, that one's nasty. Anyway, it does have some apples on it. This one here. Got water rushing down this pipe there, going down to the sewers. Yes, that's where it goes. This is blackberry. Sometimes we get blackberries over here. I haven't had none this year yet. The puppies, when we walk them, they'll be sniffing around here like they smell an animal down here, so maybe deers are coming down here and take the blackberries. I don't know. There's a red one there right now. Oh, a couple of red ones. One might be turning black. And we got grapes. I think this end of the grapevines is the Concord, I think. Currant berries. Now, what I was showing on the video earlier, when I thought I was recording, oh, he is alive. Good. I don't know where he went. Hope he didn't go back in the water. Shelly made this bucket here to collect the ants. We get a lot of ants out here. A lot of them. See that stocking there is full of ants. Water is 80 Fahrenheit right now, so too cold to me. Anyway, that thermometer was stuck in that bucket there, and the cord was wrapped around the frog leg. I thought he was dead, but he wasn't. I unwrapped that cord from his leg, and I saw him breathing, so I set him over in the corner there. Now it looks like he's gone. So he lived. That's a good thing. Yeah. I don't know how long he's been underwater there. Anyway, I had on the video, I saved him, but I wasn't recording it. I thought I was. Stupid me. So I don't know where he went. Hope I don't step on him. He went somewhere. I don't see him back in the bucket. I'm going to have Shelly check that netting again. I don't see him in there. No, it's too light. He was a pretty good sized frog too. They like to get in the pool. Last year, I didn't see any. This year, I didn't see any, except for that one that was stuck in that bucket. He was wrapping that cord of the thermometer. And I guess I saved him. That's good. I didn't want him to die. I don't know where he went. But he wasn't moving for a while. You can see him breathing. But he wasn't moving, so I guess he was in shock for a while. So I saved the frog. Anyway, let's go on. Strawberries. I'm not having a lot of luck with strawberries this year. We did have a few of them. Gladiola, Shirley planted. hostas, weed, more gladiolas. She got all the same colors here for some reason. I had them all different colors here, and I started planting them around the yard because she was taking my space up over here. She said, I could have put them back over here. I said, no, you're taking up a lot of room. I got to do some trimming on the strawberries. That end should be Concord grapes, I believe. I love the taste of Concord grapes. And this end is white grapes. They're okay. I like white grapes too. I think I got it right. A couple bad ones here. Anyway. Got to try to get them before the squirrels does, because they get out here and they get them, the birds, squirrels, and I don't see any ready to be picked yet. What's this one here? I can't get to it. Nope. Yeah. Anyway, here's some more hostas. His God, I keep forgetting that name. Start with a P. I'm not having no good luck with the strawberries this year. Last couple of years was fine. Year before, amazing. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Anyway, daylilies. They about had it. The seed pods here. I'm waiting for them to be ready to be picked. There's one I grew from seed. That one right there. Yep, do that from seed. It's a shame that I wasn't recording when I thought it was. Show you I saved that frog. I was proud of that. Well, that's about it. More hostas. I hate these bushes. They're full of stickers. I planted some gladiolas in here too. I had some extra bugs and they were growing in the garage. Those are the trees we moved inside. Oh, hummingbirds flew by. Got hummingbird feeders there. That's my fountain. Well, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, keep coming back, and until next time, later.